Hi, my name is Victor and I will show you how to check your coolant or antifreeze today. Come with me.
First, open the hood and locate the radiator and coolant reservoir. If you're not sure the system is pressurized, you can always pinch the top radiator hose. If it's soft, it means the system is not pressurized, and if it's hard, it means the system is under pressure. Always make sure the car hasn't been running before you do this. Open the radiator cap. Some fluid may spill out. First, I'm going to top off the radiator. Next, we'll fill up the reservoir. The reservoir has two indicators for full and low. Make sure the fluid is at the recommended full level.
Remember, this is something anybody can do at home, but we always recommend you to go to a professional repair shop to get a professional service.